Hello lovely student, welcome to Silence Classes e-learning platform. Let's continue with the chapter number 4, Basic Geometrical Ideas of Class 6 NCERT. Okay, this is the second part of the introduction video and I hope you guys have watched my first video. Now I am continuing with the question number 4. I am continuing with the fourth. What the fourth point is saying exactly? Any any drawing, straight or not straight, we are talking about the straight or not straight drawing, does not done without lifting the pencil may be called a curve. Okay, means if we are talking about what is curve is curve, what is curve. So if we put a pencil over here and draw it like this without like this, okay, without lifting the pencil, it is known as curve. It is known as curve. In this manner, if we put a pencil like this and if we will draw a straight line, it is also known as a curve. It is also known as curve. It is also known as curve. Okay, it's okay then. Okay, it is also known as curve, but a line is also a curve. In this manner, if we will talk about a line is also a curve. If we will talk like this, if we will say like this of a without lifting, if we use this without lifting words, so a line is also a curve. Okay. Now, what is a simple curve? Simple curve is one that does not cross itself. Means if we have started from here and move like this, okay, and move like this and end it over here where we have started. So this is known as curve, and it is also known as simple curve. It is also known as simple curve or a, and one thing more, it is also known as close curve. Close curve. Okay, it is also known as close curve. Okay, so this is the way we can find it out what is exactly a curve is. Curve is a figure which does not cross each other. Okay, if we will do like this and cross it like this, it is not a curve. Okay, and it is not a close curve also. Okay, so a simple curve is one that does not cross itself. A curve is said to be closed if the end are joints. Means I have already drawn a closed curve. Means from where we have started. Okay, over here we have started. Okay, and we will end up there only where we have started. So this is known as closed curved. This is known as closed curved because you can see it is a closed figure. It is a closed figure. Okay, and if I will draw like this, it is known as open figure. It is known as open figure. You can check it out. The end point and the starting point is different. The end point and the starting point is different. Okay, I hope you guys understood. Now, a polygon. What is a polygon? A polygon is a simple closed curve made by a line segment. Okay, polygon is a closed curve made up of line segment. Okay, means the straight lines are there. Okay, straight lines are there. Okay, like if I will draw a straight line like this, these are known as polygons, and you can check it out. It is a closed figure. It is a closed figure. Okay, we can draw like this. This is also a polygon. Okay, all these are polygons. Okay, I hope you guys understood. A polygon is a simple closed curved made up of line segment. Made up of line segment. Okay, means line segment. Made up of line segment means this is a line segment A and B like this. Okay, and we add like this means B and C, and like this again like this means four line segments are used over here to make this figure. Okay, now a line segment are the side of a polygon. Okay, and I've already told you this is line segment. This is a line segment, and all the polygons are having line segment like this, like this, like this, like this over here and over here also. Okay, so I've already told you a line segment are the side of the polygons. Any two sides with a common end point are adjacent side, are adjacent sides. Adjacent side means like this. If we will draw a figure like this, means A, B and C. Okay, it is having one meeting point over here, so it is known as adjacent sides. It is known as adjacent sides. If I will draw like this, if I will draw like this, means it is also A, B, C and D, AD and BA. It's a adjacent side. It's a adjacent side. Okay, you can check it out. BA and AC, or you can say CA. Look, one side is common. One side is common. If I will talk about BC and CD, you can check it out. One side is common. If there is one side is common, okay, in a angle, it is known as adjacent side. It is known as adjacent side. Okay, now the meeting point of a pair of a side is called a vertex. Means it is the meeting point. These are the adjacent side, and this meeting point is known as vertex. Okay, how many vertex are there in this? Let's check it out. Let's take an angle. Let's take an angle. It is known as vertex. Okay, means A, B and C. The meeting points of two side. Meeting points of two side means one line segment and the second one, and meeting over here is known as vertex. Is known as vertex. And if we are talk about a close figure, if we talk about a close figure like this, all the joining points, all the meeting points together known as vertices, is known as vertices. If we talk about a side, two side like this, open side, okay, so it is known as vertex. But if we talk about a close figure, all these figure together combination is known as vertices, is known as vertices. Okay, there is only this much of difference is there. Okay, if there are many vertex showing over here in a close figure, it is known as vertices. Okay, and it's all are the adjacent vertices, all are adjacent vertices. Okay, now the joint of any two non-adjacent vertices is a diagonal. Is a diagonal means if we draw, take from here, if we draw a line to this vertex or vertices, over here we draw a line like this. Okay, from here to over here. Okay, from this vertex to this one, it is known as diagonal. It is known as diagonal. Okay, I hope you guys understood. Means the joint of any two point non-adjacent, they are non-adjacent. Okay, vertices is a diagonal. Means see, this one and this one is not adjacent. Okay, this point and this point is not adjacent. This point and this point is not adjacent point. So we cannot say, so we can say these are diagonals. These are diagonals. Okay, now any angle is made up of two rays. Any angle is made up of a two rays like this. it is a combination of two rays A, B and C. See, the starting point is there. The starting point is there, but there is no end point. Okay, so it is a ray. Okay, an angle is made up of two rays starting from the common starting. Okay, common starting point is here, or the initial point. Two rays AO, we can write it down A over here, we can write it down O, and OB, we can write it down B over here. Okay, we can name like AOB and O. Okay, AO and B, two rays AOA, this OA and OB, these two are rays, make an angle AOB and make an angle AOB. Okay, or you can say BO and A. Okay, in both the manner we can say. Okay, I hope you guys understood, and the introduction video is finished over here. We will continue with the exercise, okay, 4.1, okay, in the next video. Okay, have a wonderful day ahead, guys. Please watch my both the introduction videos. Okay, you will able to understand all the topics completely. Okay, and you will able to answer it by yourself. Okay, so please like and share my video. Have a wonderful day ahead, guys. Bye bye, take care.